Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I am covering the Minthouz USB-C to 5 gigabit per second Ethernet adapter. I'd like to thank Minthouz for sending this to me, and I can't wait to try it out because it comes in handy on the Apple machines that don't have Ethernet. Anyway, it goes up to 5,000 megabits per second. It's fully compliant with IEEE 802.3U, which is 10-100 megabits per second, and 1,000 megabit per second, and 2.5 and 5. So it's backwards compatible with all that. USB-C 10 gigabit per second compliant. So you can hook it up to a 10 gigabit per second USB-C port. It's a USB upstream port that provides 95 watts of power delivery. So it supports Microsoft Wake packet detection and Wake on LAN and RealWow to enable remote wake up support. It's designed to be small and light for saving space in the home or office or in your bag. You can just throw it into your laptop bag and plug it in when you get to the office. It's really slick. And it's got a really nice aluminum casing. And yeah, let's see what it looks like. It's got a driver download link for different countries and languages, and a quick start guide. Oh, very complete little mini quick start guide. I like that. And here's the unit itself. Nice. USB-C. And there's power delivery in also if you need some more oomph. Probably for the Wake on LAN and all that stuff. Oh, there's more in there. And safety information. So this is the Minthouz 5 gigabit per second LAN to USB-C. Very nice. Okay, let's get it on one of the MacBooks or a PC and give it something to do. Let's try it out. Okay, let's plug the adapter in. There's no USB-C on that side. I was thinking of my MacBook Pro. Okay, so let's plug into here. Okay, allow. Let's go see if it found it. Oh, wait, network. Yes, 2.5, 5 gig LAN connected. Okay, let's see how it does on the internet. I have a 2 gigabit per second connection. And yes, we're getting the full 2 gigabits per second plus. Very good. Oh, that's faster than my built-in 2.5 gig Ethernets a lot of times. See if we can reach up to 2. Wow, cool. The Ethernet adapter works well. Okay, let's see what the link speed is. Okay, saying 2500 base T. And the reason why it's 2500 base T is because I only have a 2.5 gig Ethernet network. So my whole network's 2.5. So, yeah, I really can't test the 5 gigabits per second, but I'm sure it would say that easy. But yeah, it picks up that we have a 2500. So, very good. Yeah, that's so much better than Wi-Fi on the little MacBook Air. And I can just plug that in, plug it into Ethernet, and yay! Transforms my MacBook Air into a Ethernet powerhouse. Awesome. Okay, let's try Windows now. I got it on I hooked it up to the GPD Win Max 2. So I brought up the link speed. It's showing 2500 right there as well. Realtek USB 5 gigabit Ethernet family controller. Very nice. And let's go to speed test. Sorry for all the zooming in and out. Yep, performing just as well on this as the MacBook. So full compatibility with Windows and Mac OS. I think it was Mac OS 11 and above and Windows 10 and 11. Impressive. Okay, so internet's cool. And link speed's at 2.5 because that's all my network is. I wish I could test the 5 gigabit per second, but I don't have the means for it. So if I ever upgrade my system, that'd be nice. Well, I really love this little adapter. So it is very nice. I can take it anywhere with my 2 small machines that don't have Ethernet and plug in anywhere. It's cool. I would like to thank Minthouz for sending over the USB-C to 5 gigabit per second Ethernet adapter. And I'd like to thank all my viewers, all my subscribers, and If you like what you see and you want to see the next one that's released, make sure to hit the bell button so you're notified. And I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.